In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video in CapCut. Whether you're editing your very first video or refining a larger project, knowing how to cut and trim your footage is one of the most fundamental skills in video editing. CapCut is a powerful and free tool available on Windows, Mac, and mobile devices, making it accessible for creators at any level. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to cut and arrange your clips like a pro. And if you're new to CapCut, you'll find a link in the description to download the software and get started. Let's jump in. To begin, open CapCut on your device. If you haven't used it before, CapCut is completely free and works across major platforms. So whether you're on a desktop computer or a mobile device, you're all set. Once you're on the welcome screen, click on Create New. This will start a brand new project and give you a blank workspace where you can build and edit your video. When prompted to choose a template, select Blank. Starting with a blank template ensures you're creating your video entirely from scratch without any preloaded elements getting in the way. Next, it's time to bring your video file into the project. To do this, use the import option to add or open your footage. This step is essential because it pulls your video into the CapCut editor where you can begin making changes. Keep in mind, if you're working with a large video file, it may take a few moments for it to fully load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. After your video is loaded, locate it in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Think of the timeline as the heart of your editing process. This is where all the magic happens. Once your video is in the timeline, you can scrub through it to find the exact moments you want to cut. To do this, click and drag the blue bar along the timeline. This allows you to preview and move through your footage quickly. For more precision, you can use the playback controls to pause and play as you search for the exact spot where a cut is needed. When you've found the right moment, position the playhead at that point in the timeline. The playhead is the vertical line that marks where you are in the video. Once the playhead is in place, it's time to split the clip. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on what feels easiest for you. You can click the split button located above the timeline, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, or right-click directly on the timeline at the playhead and choose Split from the menu. If you accidentally make a cut in the wrong spot, don't worry, you can always undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z. Now that you've split the clip, you can decide what to do with the sections. If there's a part of the footage you no longer need, simply select that split section and delete it. Alternatively, you might want to rearrange the split pieces to change the sequence of your video. To do this, just drag and drop the clips into the order you prefer. And if you'd like to add some creativity, you can insert effects between the split sections to create smooth transitions. Finally, review your edits by playing back the timeline. Take a close look at how the cuts and transitions flow together. This is your opportunity to make any final adjustments and ensure everything looks polished and professional. Cutting and arranging your clips carefully is a key step in creating quality content. So take your time to get it just right. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to cut video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.